Hey guys, and welcome to my new iOS 14 video. I hope you've been staying tuned with the playlist. If not, the link will be down below in the description and should be a card at the end for you to click on. So I'm going to show you how to search for app developers apps that you have downloaded. So if I search for Apple, all the Apple apps I have downloaded come up. If I search for like Google, all my Google apps will come up. There are quite a few. So this is how to do it, guys. So you're going to go to your app library and then click search, and you can just search for like the app developer and all the apps that they've developed that you have downloaded. That is the key that you have downloaded on your device will show up. So if I search for like Adobe, all my apps at Adobe made by Adobe will show up. Or if you just want to like scroll through and search via letter on the side for a specific app, you can just search for a specific app, guys. So this way is much better than the Spotlight search, which has been standard in iOS for years. This groups all the apps made by the app developers together. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for more good content coming soon.